Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create comic strips easily in Canva. So first, you can just open your Canva, and after that here find the templates on comic strips. You can just click on more options in here, and then you can scroll down until you find this personal and event planning section, and you'll easily spot the comic strip template option. So just tap on that, and in here you'll be directed to a Canva, a blank Canva design. But here you can see on the templates, you can just explore in here. There are lots of comic strip templates that you can use for your own design, so just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this ones right here. You can click on a template, and here this is the comic strip template. You can just change the title and also the descriptions if you want to. For example, I'm going to change it into Tuesdays Out. Here you can change or add tags in here into the bubble chat. You can just click on elements, click on tags, and then here I'm going to just add a little bit of body tags. Now you can just write your tags like this. You can put it inside the box just like that, and then just repeat the steps for all of the conversations. If you want to add another page, you can just click on a plus icon in here, and you can copy this comic strips again. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.